In the heart of a city rising from challenge, a movement is growing, bold, green, and unstoppable.
Community 3.0X is leading the charge to rebuild LA green, turning recovery into opportunity.
Imagine a green Los Angeles future, where innovation meets sustainability, and every project fuels sustainable development for generations to come.
This is more than a rebuild, it's a rebirth.
Join us at GEC 5, June 25th and 26th at the LA Arboretum, and become part of the movement redefining how communities rebuild. Cleaner, smarter, and greener.